going on, everybody? I'm B. Adams. Thanks again, once again, for tuning into the channel, baby. Yeah, you know where we at. You know where we at. We at the Proving Ground. The Proving Grounds for me, baby. Here on Work It Out Wednesday, once again, baby. You already know. I had to come right back. I had to come right back. You seen all the adjustments that we made to the car. We got that new Diff. Baby. So we had to come back out here and try it out. I'm coming for you today. 2, 3, 4s. You mine today, baby. Stop right now. If you haven't, you already know what I'm gonna say. Get down, smash the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when we drop something new, baby. You see, we got our bad girl set up. Back out the back of the truck, baby. You know how we running it today. And I'm not gonna lie. I've already spent some money. I've already spent some more money. I already spent it. But what I spent it on, we needed it. I got these rear CVA dog bones because I already know something may happen in the near future and I want to be ready. And these are a more durable situation. So we got them, baby. And I got this piece right here. And if you don't know what this piece is, if you look down, can I get a good shot at it? All right, right there. That piece right there, that's what this is, but that's a longer piece that affects the toe to the back wheels. So what we're gonna do is put this shorter piece in so we can straighten the wheels out a little bit and go straight to go faster, baby. You know why we here. All right, we got that new boy in there and you see how much straighter we are. See how much more straighter we are back here, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. Got that old busted joint out of there. Got that new hotness in there. Now it's time to lay some rubber down. Time to dial her in, baby. Wait for me, Donnie. Wait for me.
Sure you want some?
Oh. Gotta come off the slipper. Too much heat on. Yeah, we gotta come on down. But at least we back.
The wheelie bar is way too high. It's not even working. Because when you left, you were that far from even touching it.
Yeah.
You even squatted.
Yeah. So I gotta put it down.
Yep.
Okay. And I know I'm still too tight.
Right.
Yep.
You're going faster lane so you don't look so bad this time?
What's
Did
it?
I say that out loud? I'm so sorry.
Ooh, let me go.
That thing in your mind that tells you not to say something.
I'm gonna go with the same lane.
Watch the light.
Oh. Let's see. Still heavy. All right. Yeah. Still too tight. All right, we took us a couple passes. Took us a few passes, you know. I just wanted to get out there and run it, you know what I'm saying? See if I could dial it in real quick, as close as I can. But I got her on the tire warmers now. Got the battery charging now. So we about to get this thing rocking. We still dialing it in. After every pass I took, I hope the GoPro caught everything. After every pass I took, I did adjust that slipper. But I'm glad to see the car back down, the car back working. Woo! Yeah, we back. Let's get her dialed in, baby. Also, I'm not gonna lie. I did adjust the GoPro down a little bit. So in the previous few runs, if you see anything a little off, if it looks like we're looking up at the sky and not down at the track, it's because yeah, you know, our production crew always starts on the putts. Then we get it together. Let's see what we do. Still too tight. Still too tight.
Hey, turn this on. Clear back.
All right, look, so much just happened right now. I don't even know we just left off. It's been so long. I just got my car totally ran through. Mike Taylor totally ran through my car, through every nut and bolt on the car, and made sure my car was all the way in tip top. And there was a few things that I did wrong. I'll give you your credit, Mike. There was a few things I did wrong. Some of the screws in the back, the transfer case, on the body, the chassis, some of those screws I had way too tight. They told me it's just plastic. You ain't got to tighten them that tight. So yeah, I did have some of the screws tight, too tight. You got me there. Some of the ones in the front though, I never touched. You know, you start getting ahead of yourself, Mike. Some of the ones in the front I never touched. But you know, it's all good fun. We had a good laugh about it. My shocks, I have my shocks going straight up and down. Well, in a conversation that we had last time that I was here, I got the notion to move my shocks over one, basically the way they came from the factory setting. And that was messing me up. So I put them back the way I had them, straight up and down, baby. So we can hunt straight down when we get off the line. You name it. You name it. It was like a mechanic going to work today. I wish I would have got the footage, but you know, it was too much in the moment right there happening. Look at this, notice that. Stuff that I'll be explaining on camera later. You know, stuff that I'm picking up from the pros that know. You know, we newbies on the rise, still trying to get it together. But now that we've come to some point of normalcy again with the car, glad we rolling. Now I got the battery charged, got the tire warmers on there. Now it's time to get back to test home run. Now we can really test home run. You know what I'm on today. Let's go. I'm at you, 2, 3, 4s. I'm at you. All right, let's see. We've had a lot of adjusting. Let's see what's gonna happen to her. See what our girl does.
Watch your light.
Lot of pump in her jump.
Slipper's too tight.
Too tight. Come up out.
Wheel bar looked okay.
Okay.
She left straight.
Yeah.
Because she's just too tight.
Gonna loosen her up.
Front end needs to come up a little.
Yeah,
right.
I see it rubbing. I noticed that once before also.
Or don't change it.
Or to scrape it off. Yeah.
Trim your bumper.
Yeah, because you see I put the tape on there so it can start reading. Yeah, man, we still at it. Testing this thing and tuning her in, getting her dialed in, playing with that slipper a little bit more, checking more things on the car, making sure everything is dialed in the way it's supposed to, especially the things that I don't fully know yet, that I'm still grasping the entirety of. But I'm getting there. Newbies on the rise, baby. Newbies on the rise. I'm also apologizing now because things have been going so fast. I've been hearing the GoPro beeping mysteriously. So if we're missing any footage or if any follies or anything is not happening right before this point, and maybe even after this point, I apologize now. We're rushing. I'm trying to get this car together. I'm trying to lock in and focus. Let's see, man. Let's see if we can get some of this work that we've been doing to pay off.
Right.
Still a little jumpy. Let's see. We may need some new tires. Let's see. It's just a roller coaster of stuff going on with this car. Man, we got to get it together. We ain't made a complete pass yet. Yeah, we getting the car back together, working properly, but we still ain't got it down. We ain't made a complete pass. We ain't made it all the way down the line yet. I'm hoping we don't need some new tires. Man, more money. Come on, man. We just spent some money. We spent some money when we got here. Let's see, baby. finally. What? You know I just beat my personal best? Wow! Wow! I've been out here all day. I just beat my personal best.
Who set up that car?
Huh?
Who put that car?
Oh, now you want the props. I just gave you the props on camera. I told everybody you set the car up, Mike. Yeah, see? See, Donnie, I'm catching on. I'm catching on. The more I'm around them, I'm catching on.
No.
Nah, I gotta have it.
No,
Don't have it.
No.
Don't have it. Don't have it now. Don't hide it now. Mike don't want to show me my numbers. Ooh, look at that. 232. 232. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Mike. I gave you your credit, then you said you didn't want the credit. Now you want the credit. What is it? I'm gonna give you the credit, Mike. Hey, Donnie. I'm figuring them out. Super Don. I'm figuring them out day by day. Should have got out of it. Might beat them tires while I'm squirrely. If I didn't get squirrely, yeah, I know. I seen it going out. I tried to come up out of it, but it was too late by the time I came off of it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. The tires probably, I done did a lot of damage on them. Yeah, cause it's all the way up again. It's all the way, and it's pushing the front down. That's why it's scraping. It's pushing the front down. Yeah, this ain't a bad regroup. This ain't a bad regroup right here. I could take this regroup, but all that stuff I tore up to get to today. Maybe the last hurrah of the day. See. Too much heat. Too much heat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 232. 232. You saw it. You saw it. We came here. We conquered, baby. We did it, baby. We just beat our personal best, baby. Not to mention, that is the only complete pass that we had all day. Everything before it was a sham and everything after was a sham. But I think I know what it is. I think we need some new tires in the rear. We beat on those accelerates time after time. We've been sending them as much as we can send them. I think that might be the final thing to get her back down, to get us all the way back in, locked in. Because you see, we was locked. We were locked. We just couldn't keep it. We couldn't hold it. And yeah, just like you saw, those passes after I ran that 232, they were all sloppy. I was sliding all over the place. Didn't really do too much slipper adjusting after that. It just didn't work out. So I'm thinking it may be those tires, because the last time I had this problem, it was the tires. And when I put a new set of tires on there, like a scalded dog down the line. Hey man, hey, I'm glad we left here with some type of W today, because I thought the day was gonna be a waste. I thought it was gonna be another wash, but no, we got, just like the sun shining on me right now, we got a glimmer of hope. We got something to shine on us today, baby, and we took full advantage. I know it seemed like we doing a lot of back and forth, but this what we gotta do. If you wanna get her dialed in, this what you gotta do. You gotta be a little vigilant. You can't put it up and forget about it till the next day the sun shines. You gotta get on it. You gotta get on it. And you see, we got on it. Even though we ain't all the way got it, we're close. We're close. And that's all we can ask for. New personal best, baby. 232. 232. You saw it. We also lost, we found it, but the wheelie bar wheel on that Exotech wheelie bar wheel in the back did come off on that pass. I haven't checked the GoPro footage yet. I gotta check the GoPro footage to make sure we even got everything. I hope I got that 232 pass. But yeah, the wheelie bar wheel popped off when we flipped over. So put that back on. That was an issue. It's just a lot of A lot of things we had to iron out today with my car. One thing I say is this: if we snap a drive shaft, we definitely got them rocking and rolling ready. We definitely ready because we spent the money. We spent the money already. We got here spending money. It worked out a little bit, sort of, kind of, but we ended up spending money. Again, we always spending money. I'm glad this ain't a life-size car. If this was a life-size drag and drive car, I would have been out. I would have been out. I'd have been done. Well, hey, what more can I ask for? What more can I ask for? I can't ask for nothing else for today. The day didn't end in a wash. I got a new personal best. It was my only complete pass of the day, but still in all, I can't complain. I'm happy with that. I hope y'all are too. Y'all that's been hanging along with me on this journey. I hope y'all are as pleased as I am right now for my one only pass of the day that I made completed that happened to give us a new personal best. Now, while I get my pockets prepared to spend this tire money, what I need y'all to do, get down in the comments, let me know about the footage you saw today. We didn't have a lot of passes, complete passes today for you all to see, but the one pass that we did complete, fist pumping in the air, baby, we laid the rubberist down. At least once. If you ain't in tune, get in tune with the channel. Tell a friend to tell 2, 3 more friends to get in tune with the channel, baby. Reporting live from here at Great Lakes Dragaway on Work It Out Wednesday, baby. I'm B. Adams. Till the next time, I'm driving.